Alabama tried to revive its early Republican-friendly map. So they are not going away. They are fighting this tooth and nail because they know what is at stake. That, of course, is the map that the federal court just blocked again. And on May 26th, which is where we are today, the 3-judge panel said Alabama could not use that map for 2026 because it was tainted by intentional race-based discrimination. The ruling blocked Alabama from switching maps for the upcoming elections. However, now they are back at the Supreme Court. That's how important this is.
To make sure that we all understand that Montgomery is not alone, that you all are not alone. And for all of those watching today, when they ask, what do we do in this moment? I feel helpless. What action can I take? It is time for the North to pull up to the South, for New York to pull up to Alabama. Time for all of us to come to Georgia, to Louisiana, to Tennessee, and let them know exactly what they have on court with this injustice.
All right, that's AOC. She's one of our representatives here in New York, and she was speaking in Montgomery, Alabama. What I want to call out here is, do you see what's in front of her? That is bulletproof glass. Damn. Of course, after all of the attempted assassinations on Trump, including Charlie Kirk, that is just, damn. That's what it takes to be a politician in this country. That says a lot about our American system, society, people. Sheesh. So the state is arguing that the court-approved map is itself an unconstitutional racial gerrymander. The plaintiffs are arguing that Alabama is trying again to dilute Black voting power. That is the legal collision. And again, I ask the voter, come on, y'all. I ask the American, what do you think is happening here? Does this not look like they are trying to silence a minority? There is an agenda here. It is not hidden at all. Is this how you want to win an election? You might as well kill off your opposition. That's the idea here, right? We don't even want them to vote. That's why we don't want mail-in ballots. That's why we're undermining whether the systems that we use in place, the digital systems, the computers, are rigged. All of this is to undermine the system so that we keep away voters. Republicans want a lower participation rate so long as it is any other party voting. And that tells me a few things about Republicans. It tells me that they probably think that they can't win. They want to strengthen their footing in the country. It's extremely hard to redistrict these maps, but they know what's at stake here.